Pizza with pita bread, without oven. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is the video I brought for you. Pizza with pita bread, which is very tasty and delicious to eat as well as to look at. So let's start making our pizza. So we will take a pot and put oil in it, and when it gets a little hot, we will put ginger and garlic paste in it. Let the ginger and garlic paste brown a little, and then I will add the chicken. Now we will mix the chicken well so that the ginger and garlic paste is mixed in it, and we will stir it a little so that the chicken is cooked well. Now in it I have added finely chopped tomatoes and stirred it well so that the tomatoes are also mixed in it. And after that I have taken finely chopped green chilies and mixed it in it too. Have done. And now I will add salt, red chili and taka masala in it, and cook it well so that all these things are cooked inside and it starts smelling good. And now I'm going to add 2 spoons of curd in it, and now I'm going to leave it to cook until it's cooked and gives off a nice aroma. Now we have it cooked like you see. You can see how good the color is, and the meat looks cooked. Now we will add vegetables for pizza, pita bread. I didn't take much, because what was available in my house and rather what my family eats, I added like capsicum and onion. Now I will heat the pita bread a little, and for that I have taken a pot and put a little oil on it, and on it I have put the pita bread. And this inch, I have kept it very light. And now on one side, the pizza burn is a little hot, and on top of it, I have put sauce like chili sauce, and the pizza sauce that I made at home is also on it, eggs inside and ketchup on the side. And now I've added cheese on top of it and covered it a little bit first, so that the cheese melts. Now, here I have the cheese nicely melted. Now I'm going to put the chicken topping on top of that, and then I'm going to put the cheese topping on top of that again. Now I will top it with vegetables, like I have chopped onions and red chilies, and I have decorated a little bit of it on top, and I have put whatever I have on top of it. Put it and cover it again so that it cooks well, and cover it completely for a while, and then you see, it will be melted too. Now I have opened the lid of the pot so you can see that it is completely melted. Now let's take it out and slice it and enjoy it. I have sliced it here, and how delicious it is and how much it is on the suit, and a lot of things are well cooked without well we can cook it well and enjoy watching it. You guys must try it in your own homes. Please let me know. Bye bye.